Okay, so here we are. Just came out from Mt Carmel Falls, and we are actually going lower down to the end where we got some foreigners. So, passing through, I am a local from Grenada. So now I have to take my slippers off to walk on the ground here because it's so skaty. I may get a fall again. Which, even if I get a fall, that's not. I'm not gonna take that too serious. So person's poop and stuff down here. I'll show you when I reach down there. Looks really nice, epic. So I had a wonderful time going up the falls and coming back on the falls. You're gonna see the video. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, all the parts that you all need for the Mt Carmel Falls. So here I am virtually lower down. So there is a little pot here where you can cook your foods. So I'm gonna show you all that. So there is places where you can cook your stuff there and all of that. So it looks epic place here. It makes a very nice place for if you're looking to do a little something for yourself, like home something, like with family wise. That's like really good for that. So here is again another beautiful little spring, I believe, for the persons who will be liking to see that here. You just want to chillax out, play some game. And I think that's going to be a cool thing here for skimboard to Grenada. You come here and you have a skimboard, I think that's going to be. Oh! I'm meeting with one. So that's going to be like a very smooth place for skimboarding. You just have your skimboard and you run on that flat of water, and that's going to take you all the way down to that basin. That's going to seem to be fun because it's a big open space. I think I should be with him. So it's a cool place there, really cool. So they also got a security guard and all that on here, so like they will make sure that they don't have any big sort of violence coming on to that top. So they will make sure that the place is safe for everyone that's coming here. Because like it can be a ruckus, especially lonely places like this. And you being a foreigner, it can be a ruckus. But it is actually secured, and that's what it's doing. So I have to take my time with my feet, drag them, because I'll fall. First time I came here, I fall, so I don't want to fall. And here look even way more slipperier than what I'm seeing is going to pull me down. So we're on the road, we're walking, we're going down. So it's a little bit lally, and where there is lally, there is falling water. So now we're going to take you all to the place where persons have the most fun in the Mt Carmel waterfall, which is actually the sliding part. So I'm not going to slide. Usually if I slide, I may go all the way down to the basin, and then this is going to wet my phone. I'm not going to be able to make vlogs again. So I have to take it easy here. So I'm going to give you all the top view, and then the view that's lower down. So this is what it looks like. Here is a place that I cannot play whatsoever. I already just missed it already. So here is a place that you cannot play for sure. So you can see that lovely basin down there already. That's just maybe half of it. That is pretty wide. Persons come here to chill. While other persons come here to just take the skate, and that skate is going to take you all the way down to the basin. If I had a very good pants here, I might have taken a skate and show you all what it's like. But give us a skate. So boss is with us here. Boss. can't play too much of games. But I'm always the teacher. So that is it there. And I was even saying that if the rock was more better structured, maybe the skate would have started all the way from up there, and then we would have had a chance to go all the way down to the basin down there. So that is the skating part. It would have been a little fun to entice the video. I could have made a little skate and stop there. If I sure I stopped in there. But I think we must be. Alright, take a skate, take a skate, take a skate. Small skate. Stopping right there. So I'm gonna go take a small skate. I'm gonna gear up with my sequence because let's see how far. So I can't do it enough already. Well, what the skate is? So here I am there. That is not gonna be any long skate. It's gonna be a short skate. And I'm gonna stop right here. And afterwards I'll come back and show you what the skate was like. What parts have the skate in it? What sounds is not the familiar? Yeah, I'm disappearing. Oh my god. That's in those skate with people. And I don't try. Yeah, right, jump. You think it's still? So here we go now. Sorry to that. I'm not more than Mt Carmel. So yes, the experience on the skate was not bad. However, the fans that I had did not really require skating on the falls. So but it was good though. Very nice ride. It's fun here. It's actually slippery, so that's why you can skate there. I might have done a two gymnastics, but the place is wet, and I may fall and damage myself and die. So from here, I'll be taking you out just from Mt Carmel Falls, just to the track that I've started. So stay tuned. I'll give you a nice show from coming down the falls, reaching to that area here, and now taking a little skate down that fall and then heading back to what are you saying? Phone getting enough charge to charge? You fine? Alright, so we're gonna be headed back up. We're gonna be heading back to our hometown there. I'm still entitled to get some fall because I have to go down at least a little 10 to 15 feet with a rock there. And I can still get a fall coming back here. So it's not exempted. So I'm not going to walk the fast and play Mr. Hero because I'll fall and get a very hot on me. Nicely done. So for the short time at Mt Carmel Falls, it is wonderful. Very wonderful. So we are heading back down. So we got partner with us there. And the video is just 9 minutes. So personally, you all can watch 9 minutes of video. And also you can share like, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Okay, so we're heading out here now. As I said, I'm entitled to falls. Just look at that. I guess someone will get my skate right here. Right? And if I step on that same skate, I'll be skating all the way down there. Whoa! So there is a rock strip here I can walk on, which is going to be from. And then we'll be saying goodbye to Mt Carmel waterfall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, Mt Carmel waterfall. So now we're heading straight back up to my home. I just take a shot in here to do some vlogs. Get another shot here. And that's going to take us straight out of the falls, right? So I'm going to give you a half tour out of the falls, which is some hill well enough, kind of steep there. And going back. So heading back up, I'm not sure where I passed. Feel that bit. And here, wait, who's gonna work it? Alright, so up top. What color dog? Black and white. So if I've seen it anywhere growing up, you can see here's the dog. I think I'm hearing a noise higher up. So I'm not wondering if it's the dog that's all the way back up here. So that's where we gotta pass here to come out through the falls. So yeah, we're back out. Yeah. So, some nice seasonings here. So you're looking for a dog somewhere, which we have not seen. So that's our track to go back, which has a small river attached to that there. And now we're heading up, up, up the hill until I reach out to the big track and takes us back down. So far, my little venture today was really good, not bad at all. I guess I had enough fun, real fun, coming from Mt Carmel Falls, from the top, being taken by submarine, and also coming back up to head back to home and seeing it, which is not that bad. So on my way back up, I'm still on the lookout for a little dog. Some of the persons there are looking for the dog. Maybe to have to run away due to fright or something. So I am looking for it while I walk, so in case I see it, I can let them know that the dog is somewhere here. And they can get the dogs and have them at rest. But if I enter the track, it's going to be like in the next few seconds. And I've reached out, I have not seen it. And that simply means the dog is not anywhere. So here I'm going to be cutting the video in a very short time from now, because I am actually heading out of the track that takes me from Post Royal to Mount Carmel waterfall. Okay, so that is the track here. The persons that visit Grenada before and know that track, then you know what I'm talking about. If you're new here, you can ask for directions to come here. See you all in my next video, and big up your own self all the time.